Let's try this.
Omar.
Yeah.
Alright, they went to the right.
Yep.
You want me to lead or you want to go?
Bush is trying to reach out and grab you.
Yeah, I saw that. Look at that tree turned over there, pulled their whole root ball up. What kind of thing is that growing out there on the left?
It looks like elephant ears.
Good grief.
Oh, on the left. What the hell was
well, yeah, I
that?
was looking at that, but then that thing was sticking out at me. I don't know what that was. Must look like, you know, when you go to the fair and you get the frozen banana and they dip it in candy or something, you know. That's what it kind of reminded you of, like it had been dipped in something. I don't know. Trail's pretty neat so far. Got a deer feeder down here.
Stand nearby then.
Yeah.
Downs and up.
Yeah, I think it switches back right where we were before. It's doing it again. So basically it just snakes its way through, but this same bottom, we keep going through it, climbing back up out of it. That's pretty fun. Probably a little creek here is what it actually is. Them flies down here eat you up if you stop.
Yeah, I wonder if after it rains, if it is a little creek crossing.
Yeah, I bet. Hang on. I went to low range because I was starting from a dead stop down there. I probably would have been alright in high, but I just figured I'd be nicer with Kodiak. We got to stop up here at Mergent Trail. Trying to see. Hold on a second. So right to the right here, it says entrance to Omar's Trail. So we basically came back out where we started from. Right here, yeah, right where we went in. It literally put us right back out at the entrance right here.